What's up, everybody? Robert 184, One Japan. As I take the train all around the country, and I'm at the train museum right now, but even more importantly, inside the train museum, they've recreated a miniature model of Japan. This is HO scale trains here, and they are incredible. And basically, we're about to watch a show where they're going to walk you through a day from morning to night, and I'll throw in a little bit of commentary, if it can be heard.
はやぶさの出発です。はやぶさは今年日本最速時速320キロでの走行が予定されています。皆様、上のモニター画面、中央の画面をご覧ください。今日は一足先に時速320キロでの走行をご覧いただきます。あっという間に通り過ぎてしまいますのでご注意ください。はやぶさにはグリーン車より上のグランクラスが用意されています。ぜひ一度は乗ってみたい新幹線ですね。中央駅はだんだんと明るくなってきました。明るくなった中央駅からは今度は特急列車が出発します。駅を右側にひときわ目立つ赤の電車が出発しました。こちらはネックスの愛称でおなじみの成田エクスプレス。大宮や新宿、
Two of them attached together,
首都圏各地、
heading off to Narita Airport
世界
in
の玄
Chiba.
関、成田空港を結んでいます。この赤と白の斬新な塗装は飛行機が飛ぶ成層圏をイメージしています。さて、続いて出発する電車は少し懐かしい電車が出発します。
Next, it's something of a romantic train taking off.
ただいま駅を右側に出発した電車は特急こだまです。昭
Old
和
Kodama.
33年、
Showa
当時の
33 years.
国鉄初の電車特急として東京と大阪の間を走っていたのがこのこだまです。
An old school train that ran between Tokyo and Osaka.
この当時はまだ電車のスピ
The name
ード
is still
が
being
そ
used
れほ
though
ど
for
速
bullet
くなか
trains
ったの
today.
で東京・大阪間は日帰りができませんでした。その日帰りを初めて実現させたのが特急こだまです。最高速度は時速163キロ。
It had a max speed of 160 kilometers an
比
hour.
べると半分ぐらいのスピードです。
Half of what they can do today.
そしてその特急こだまの後に登場したのが
There's the legendary
東海道
Zero
新幹線と同時にデビューしました。
It never used to need a model number in front of it,
速度は時速
as it was
20キロ。
the only
こ
bullet
れまで
train,
6時間30分かかっていた東京と
220 kilometers an hour max
お
speed.
よそ4時間にまで短縮した夢の超特急です。
The Dream Super Limited
ゼロ
Express.
系新幹線は2008年惜しまれながら引退しましたが、
And it retired in 2008.
海外の博物館に今も展示されています。
And we can go see it in this museum. I was at its retirement ceremony, actually.
おや、どこからか蒸気機関車の敵の音が聞こえてきました。続いては SL 蒸気機関車が出発します。
A steam locomotive is about to take off.
中央駅 ではなく左側、今ライトがついたこちらのトンネルにご注目ください。
The Zero K, the Kodama.
左側、山のふもとトンネルからは SL が顔を出しました。 SL 満月物語号です。
There it is coming out of the tunnel
457の愛称を持つ
with a new N700 going past
機関車。
in contrast.
現在でも本物の蒸気機関車に乗るチャンスがありますので、お出かけの際には実際の蒸気機関車に乗ってみてはいかがでしょうか。中央駅はだんだんと日が暮れてきました。夕暮れの中央駅からは遠くを目指す夜行列車が出発します。
And now it's time for a night
中央駅
train.
の左側にゆっくりと出発したのは寝台特急カシオペア。
The
そして
Cassiopeia
右に出発したのはブルートレイン北斗星です。
and the Hokutose
この
Blue
カシオペ
Train.
アと北斗星は東京の上野から北海道の札幌を結ぶ夜行列車です。
Heading out of Tokyo
車
up to
内では
Hokkaido, the
フラン
northernmost
ス料理
island.
のフルコースや懐石料理が食べれるなどとても豪華な列車です。カシオペア、そして北斗星は東京から約16時間もかけて北の大地北海道へと進んでいきます。
And that wraps up the show, it looks like. Except you can still see that most of the trains are lit up here. Some really good models.
駅には列車たちが帰ってきました。働いていた列車たちが明日の朝に向けてお休みの時間です。またこうした列車の本数が少ない時間には線路のメンテナンス、保線と呼ばれる作業が行われています。私たちが夜寝ている間に実は線路を直しています。
And night,
今
they'll
の
be
中
repairing
央
the
駅の
tracks.
近くではマルチプルタイタンバーと呼ばれる黄色い保線車両が作業を行っています。
The Kodamas going back to bed there in the
皆
central
さんも
station.
黄色い保線車両見つけることはできましたか？
And now he's asking, there's a
中央
yellow
駅の近く
train.
で今も作業をしています。
Dr. Yellow, it's called.
こうして私たちが夜寝ている間も
And while we're all sleeping at night,
休むことはありません。
Dr. Yellow is out checking the tracks and making sure that Japan's incredible train safety record, especially for the bullet trains, is
いよいよ
maintained.
次の朝がやってきました。夜を徹して走ってきた寝台特急の終着もそろそろ近づいてきたようです。こうして鉄道は毎日いつ
Up
でも
north, the Cassiopeia would be pulling in into Sapporo.
そしてこれからも私たちの夢を乗せてより早くより楽しくそしてより安全にこれからも進化を続けることでしょう。以上をもちましてただいまのプログラムが以上となります。最後までご覧いただきましてありがとうございました。
A very nice show. That was the announcer over there on the left walking us through it.
なお、お帰りの際は
And now it's time for everybody to crowd up to the windows and try to look at all of the different train models up close. It's a decent sized crowd there for a Monday afternoon. It's my turn to crowd around the front now. Here's the central station. You can see the blue Cassiopeia. Sorry, the blue train there, relaxing. The E5 bullet train. The N700. And there's still a few trains running around. There's the Cassiopeia there. Multi-levels, as you can see that some of them are going to go down into tunnels there. They've got monitors around as well. The raised sections with 4 tracks, lots of switches. Heading into a very impressive mountain complex over there. There's a subloop here that sort of cuts through the middle, and most of the trains are going to be stored there in the center with a painted backdrop there. The red up there is actually just that's a painted bridge. But then there's some other bridges there that are very real, in terms of models being real. You may be able to make out that train going through that tunnel there, that we can make out inside. The Nex and the Kodama are still running. It's a very impressive setup here, and anybody who's a model train fan, I hope you have a chance to check this out sometime. If you're ever flying into Narita Airport, one of the options for getting into Tokyo. If you do get on the wrong train there, you can always walk through that, because when they couple at the front, the doors open, as you're about to see. The old Zero-K Shinkansen, though. A sight for sore eyes. And the much more modern N700. Here's a look at the right side. They've done a good job here with the paintings, but you can tell that most of the effort went into just getting that track laid out so well there. Tons of layers crisscrossing all over the places, switches everywhere. Some nice complex bridges over there, and it's really the mountains. The roller coaster there is a nice touch. Did you see the E5 running past over there? Very, very nice setup, and I'm sure that anybody who's a model train collector would love to have a setup like this in their basement. Here's the signs. And more importantly, there's some of the stars of the show. Some of them do a great job of incorporating cameras either into the track to see the trains come by, or actually through the trains themselves. And it's gonna be a packed house inside. Ron, how about this for a workshop? As you can see the trains all down here. I suppose they can intersperse it. And yes, just to be cute, they've got one running here on the outer track. And stopping. I suppose it'll go back. And there it goes. A look from the other side. Including the monitors. How it would look from the station as that little train goes past. Some very neat looking models and very expensive. How does it stack up to Gundam, I wonder? Anyway, everybody, hope you enjoyed this look at Japan's day in trains. From the first train heading off in the morning, to the bullet trains getting started, to the night trains departing, and then arriving. It's a fantastic show. And anyway, Ron, this is for you. I hope you're having some fun with your trains at home right now. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. Stick around, lots more real trains. And more importantly, these ones just loop, but I'm heading off to some new destinations. Thanks for watching, everybody.